Hey everyone, it's KDA Capy here. Today we're diving into another Kadena game changer, Kadena's gas stations. If you're into blockchain, DeFi, Web3 or just tech in general, stick around because this is going to blow your mind. Welcome back everyone to the latest and most exciting developments in the world of Kadena. Before we jump into today's content, remember, I'm here to educate and inform you about all things Kadena. Please note that this is not financial advice. Blockchain technology is reshaping our digital world, but it's not without its hurdles. One major barrier? Gas fees. The cost of doing transactions on a blockchain. They're crucial for security, but can be a real headache, especially for newbies. Now, enter Kadena. These guys are not just sitting back. They've come up with something extraordinary. Gas stations. No, not the kind you're thinking of. These are special accounts on the Kadena blockchain that cover your gas fees. Mind-blowing, right? Here's how it works. These gas stations are integrated directly into decentralized apps on Kadena. So, whether you're trading on a DEX, exploring DeFi, or navigating Web3, you don't worry about gas fees. Kadena's got you covered. This is huge for developers too. Imagine creating apps that are way more user-friendly. This means more people can easily jump into blockchain without the usual costs of gas fees. Take EckoDex or KDswap, for instance. These decentralized exchanges let users swap, stake, and more, all without the pain of gas fees. And it's not just them. There's a whole ecosystem out there benefiting from this. But who runs these gas stations? Well, it varies. Some are managed by the dApp developers, others by community consensus or automated rules. This flexibility is key to meeting diverse needs. By tackling the gas fee problem head-on, Kadena is breaking down barriers to blockchain adoption. It's not just about making things easier, it's about opening doors to a broader audience. Before we conclude, I have a small request for all of you watching. If you found this video informative and helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving it a like, and sharing it with your friends and fellow crypto enthusiasts. Your engagement is crucial. It signals to YouTube that this content is relevant and valuable, helping to spread the word to others who might benefit from these insights on Kadena. Thank you for tuning in today. I'm excited to continue this journey with you and look forward to seeing you in the next Kadena video update, where we'll explore more fascinating aspects of the Kadena ecosystem. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and stay engaged with the ever-evolving world of the Kadena blockchain.